So children will start. Okay, Ashwath is here. Hey, where is Soumya gone? Soumya was here. Hello.
Yes.
I'm asking where is Soumya gone? Soumya was here.
She left at.
She came and she went back. Okay. Ashwath is there. Jarvik is there. Good evening, everyone, children.
Good evening.
Okay, so today we'll be doing decimals. Okay. How's your preparation going on?
Good, ma'am.
Okay. Good. Then I'll give you some sums to do now. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes. Who's this?
tomorrow I am having my maths exam.
Oh, great. That's nice, Ashwath. So how's your preparation?
Yes. Ma'am, I should do now mensuration, algebra, and ratio and proportion.
Okay. If you have any doubts, you can ask in this class, okay?
Ma'am, I'm done with my revising, ma'am. All my portion, math.
Very nice. Very nice, children.
And more, I have 1 week for my exam.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you give questions from these 3 chapters?
Yes, ma'am. We also have those 3 chapters. Only.
So don't you have decimals?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have fractions, decimals, integers also.
See, fractions we revised yesterday, and day before yesterday we revised algebra.
Yes, ma'am.
So that's why I'm thinking to revise decimals. Mensuration, ratio proportion also we have revised. Okay, let's do. You want me to do ratio? You want me to do ratio proportion?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How many wants?
Yes, ma'am.
How many want me to do
Ratio
ratio
and
proportion?
mensuration.
Write in the chat box how many of you want me to do ratio proportion now. Let me see the votes.
Ma'am, only we both are there. Me and Rishi.
So let me check the votes. No, how many votes have this chapter is getting? 2 or 1?
And we both support to ratio and proportion.
Okay. We will go for ratio proportion. So this is a revision of ratio and proportion. Okay, let me give you some sums now.
Yes.
Okay, he's right now. Write the question also with me. Length and breadth. Length and breadth of a rectangular field is 5:3. If the breadth of rectangle is 60 meters, find the length of the rectangle. Do this. Then we have the next question.
Ma'am, my pages the pages in my book were completed, so can I get a new book now?
Okay, get it.
Yes.
Yes, Ashwath, are you doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you done the first question?
Ma'am, I'm first writing the questions and I will do afterwards the answer.
No, please do the first question. No, once you have written the first question, then do the first question.
Yes. Ma'am, in the third one, like present age of father is 48 years and his son's age is 16 years, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
If you don't understand any question, you can ask, okay? This is just for practice I've given you.
Okay.
And whatever answers you are getting, please write that in the chat box.
Okay.
For question 1, question 2, whatever it is. Yes, Rashid?
Ma'am, I sent you first and second one.
First answer is 100 meters.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ashwath, are you getting the same answer? I have a
Ma'am,
doubt.
I can't answer in chat box.
Yes, please write the answer in the chat box. Rishit, you must check your calculation again. I have a doubt in this answer. First one.
Okay. Ma'am, second one.
Second one is which one? Find the ratio of 16. I didn't tell you. You do carry on with your work, I'll tell you.
Ma'am, the second question I sent you the answer, ma'am.
Second one answer you have written, no? 200 something. What is that?
Yes, ma'am. 1:200.
1 is to 200.
Ma'am, is it correct?
Let me check. I'll have to solve it and see. Find the ratio of 18 seconds to 1 hour. Okay, 18 seconds
Ma'am,
is
so 1 hour is equals to 3,600
just
seconds.
so 1 hour is so that is 18 by 3600, no?
Yes, ma'am. And like when we divide, we get 18 ones are 18, 18 to the 36.
So that's 1 is to
two-
200. Yes, that's correct. The top one, I think it's coming 5 by 5 is to 3 is the ratio given, and
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
saying length and breadth ratio is it. And they
Ma'am.
have, and breadth is given to be 60, and find the length.
Ma'am,
So
I
length
forgot
is
100 meter.
so this will be 5 into 60 by 3.
Yes, ma'am.
So
So
5
60
into,
ones are 60 20s are.
so this is
So
20.
5 into 20 is 100.
Okay, that's
Yes,
100.
ma'am.
Okay, good, then it's correct.
Yes. Ma'am, I sent you third one.
Third one is check again. Father's age to son's age. This is the ratio.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
we divide this by 16. Both can go with the table of 16. So you
16.
get 1 and 16 threes. So that's the
Oh,
ratio.
sorry. Yes, ma'am. 3.
Okay, this is correct. Fourth one is correct.
Yes.
Are you doing the fifth one?
Yes.
And Ashwat, which one you are doing?
Ma'am, I am writing the fifth question.
Okay. After this, I'll give you some questions from proportion part.
Okay. Ma'am, 5 from this, 5 from that.
Let's see.
Ma'am, I cannot get the fifth one.
What is the fifth answer?
Ma'am, I cannot get it.
You're not getting. We had done this question, do you remember? During our regular classes. The same question. Okay, the ratio of income to the saving of the family is 13:4. Okay. Now income, let's say let the income be. See, the ratio is given to us 13:4.
13.
So this is it saying the ratio of the income of savings of the family is the ratio of income to the saving. Now this is income. The first part is income.
13 is income and 4
This
is
is
saving.
saving. But this is not the actual saving.
Yes.
So let the income be 13x, savings be 14x. Just a moment. Okay. So here, let the income be, we assume, let the income be 13x and savings be 4x. Okay. Now, this is given. Find the expenditure if the saving is 2,700. Now it's saying the ratio is given to us 13. Now it's saying the savings is 2,700.
Yes.
13x plus, okay, let it be. So now it's saying 4x is 4x. We have taken savings and 4x is given also 2,700. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we'll find the value of x from here. 2,700
27
by 4.
by 4. Yes, ma'am.
So what do we get here? Just do it. This will go by 6.
And we get 675.
So this is 675 you're getting?
Yes.
So that means x is 675. Now since you have got your value for x, you can find out here.
Yes, ma'am.
13x
13 into
also,
675.
13x also you can find out, and 4x also you can find out. Okay, whatever answer you get for this. What are you asked? You find the expenditure if the saving is so much. Now, how do we find the expenditure? Income minus
subtract.
savings. Income minus saving will give you
Income
expenditure.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Income minus
Minus saving.
saving will give you expenditure.
Expenditure.
Expenditure means what money
Just
you
spent,
spend.
like, yes,
Ah.
ma'am.
So when you get your income amount here and you get your savings amount here, then you subtract them and you get your expenditure. Okay, just multiply and check what do you get here. Multiply this. The savings so we are already given only. So this is your expenditure, okay? This is what we are asked to
Yes,
find.
ma'am.
Find the expenditure if the saving is this.
Yes.
So therefore you can write, therefore the expenditure is equal to
6075.
okay, rupees 6,075.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the need was only to find the income, and out of income savings was already given, so we did not do this. Just subtracted them. Okay, now I'll give you question on proportion.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes.
ma'am, how did you find the I'm telling the X 675.
One second. How did I find 675? Okay. See here in the question it was given. The ratio of income to the saving of a family is 13:4. So 13:4 is what? Ratio of income to the savings. So that means 13 corresponds to the income part and 4 corresponds to the saving part. Okay. Now since this was
Yes.
ratio, this is not the actual saving. So I have taken, let the income be 18x. X means some multiple. Okay. Okay. Some factor of that number. Then savings I have taken 4 into x. X is also some variable. So that when I find the value of x, I will multiply this x with 13. I will get my actual value. So what did I do? Savings is already given to me 2,700, is it? Yes, Ashwin?
Yes, ma'am.
So I equated 4x with 2,700 because it is already given, this is given, and this also we have found out. We have taken our savings to be 4x because it was given in the ratio. And from here, I found the value of x. See, 4 is multiplying with x here. When it goes on the other side of x equal to sign, multiply changes to divide. So it got divided here and I got the value of x, that is 675.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Find if the ratio are in proportion. Now you write here 39 liters is to 65 liters. And these are the two ratios given. One is this and the other one is 6 bottles is to 10 bottles. Two hundred ml is to 2.5 liters. And rupees 4 is to rupees 50. Do this, start doing. Okay, do these, then I'll give you something from unitary method also. Okay, at which question are you? No answers in the chat box?
I'm in the 10th one.
Supposed to answer in the chat box also, no?
I'm like, I thought of posting all at a time.
Okay, and Ashwath, what about you?
Ma'am, I am doing 7th bit.
Okay. You can tell me the answer so that I can write it here.
Ma'am, 6th bit A1, like, they are not in proportion.
A1, this is not in proportion.
Yes, ma'am.
They both are not in proportion.
Okay. Both are not in proportion. See, after changing the units also, you're not
Yes.
getting them in proportion.
Ma'am, option like B, question B is like they are in proportion. Ma'am.
This one is in proportion.
Yes, ma'am, B bit.
Okay, this is, let me convert this to milliliters only, 200 milliliters. And then this will be how many milliliters?
250.
250. And this side, this is what? 5. This will go with 5, 4, 5, 4 and 5. 4 is to 5. And when I take this side, 4 and 50, this will be 2 and 25. Okay, these are not in proportion.
Okay, ma'am.
What about this? 39 and 65.
Ma'am, they are not in
This
proportion.
They are not in
will be
proportion. Ma'am.
13 3s is 39 and 13 how many? 13 5s are 3 is to 5. So they are not in proportion and this will be 6 by 10. Okay.
Proportion. Ma'am.
Yes, it's in proportion.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
3s are to 5s. So this one is proportion.
Yes, ma'am.
This one is in proportion and this one is not in
Not in
proportion.
proportion.
Ma'am, from which digit you divided, ma'am?
Which number?
39 by 60.
13. I divided it by 13
Okay, ma'am.
because these both come in the table of 13, no?
Yes, ma'am.
13 3 is 13 5. Okay, and what about this?
Ma'am, 12.
X is 12.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ashwat, are
Yes,
you
ma'am,
getting
12.
it? Okay,
Ma'am, I also got 12.
okay. Okay, so if this is 12, 12 is to 45 will give 3 fours are 12 and 3 15s are 45. So that's 4 is to 15. Yes. Okay, this is 12. And what about this one? Question number
Ma'am,
8.
ma'am, they are not in proportion.
Not in proportion.
Yes,
5 by 20 and
5 by
13 by
20 and
52.
15. Yes,
So 5 ones are 5
5
fours. 13 ones are and 13 fours are is what?
Ma'am, 1 second. I did
They are
a...
in proportion.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I did a mistake here.
Okay, so they are in proportion. Be
Yes.
careful. Don't be in hurry. Do it nicely. You know everything. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You know everything and still you are making mistakes. So do the sums patiently. There is no hurry. Okay, now question number 9. Have you done this? Question 9.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me, Ashwath, have you done question number 9?
Ma'am, Ashwath is not there.
Okay. Shall do the rest of the questions, then we'll discuss.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I got the 10th answer.
Okay. Do all the questions, then we'll discuss all of them. They are all based on unitary concept.
Yes, ma'am. Unitary method. Ma'am, 11th one I got.
Great.
Ma'am, is the 11th one answer 180?
I'll check better. Once we do the calculation, we'll check.
Okay. Ma'am, because like 2 dozens is equals to 12.
Okay.
So 12 divided by 120 is 10. So each orange costs 10.
Okay. If 2 dozen oranges cost rupees 120, find the cost of 18 oranges. Okay. 2 dozen means 24. 24
Oh,
oranges.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 1 second.
Oh, what happened?
Ma'am, I don't know why, but always I forgot this dozen formulas every time when I do it like patient.
Dozen means 12. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You play cricket?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So छक्का लगाते हैं ना उसमें?
Yes, ma'am.
Six runs you get.
Yes, ma'am.
ऐसे सोचना कि 2 छक्के लगाए. Okay.
Yes. Okay, ma'am.
Just a memory tip for you. Just to memorize. Okay. That doesn't mean 12. 2 छक्के.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm getting
Yes.
90 rupees.
Okay. Okay, so what is the cost of one orange? One orange will be 120 by 24. So that will go with 12.
But
If I do with the table of 12,
10,
this becomes 10, this becomes 2.
two
Then
ones are
2
two
is
five.
5. So that means
Yes,
one orange is for 5
5
rupees.
by 1.
So how many we want to find out?
18.
18. So 18 oranges we want. So 18 into 5 will be how much?
90.
5s are 40. This is 9, 90. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
90 rupees. Okay, done, Rishit?
No, ma'am.
Ashwath, done?
Ma'am, I had network issues. I'm doing the eight, nine.
Wish you all the best, Ashwath, for tomorrow.
Thank you, ma'am.
Do good,
Ma'am,
read the
can you take extra class for me?
You want me to take extra class for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Tomorrow you have a class and just now you had 1 hour class. Hmm? Do you have any doubts you can ask now?
Ma'am, I want to do the algebra and mensuration.
Algebra, just yesterday we did algebra.
Ma'am, I didn't attend yesterday's class.
Okay, in this class only we'll practice some questions from algebra.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, but like there is less time, so we cannot
Now
practice more.
we will practice from some few sums. Okay, how to make equation and all. But then if you are not watching that, then you must have seen the video. Hurry up, children, be fast. If you want me to revise something more. Okay, Now, shall we discuss 12th question?
Ma'am, can you explain me the ninth question?
A man earns rupees 4,500 in 18 days. So in 18 days, a man is earning rupees 4,500. I'm just writing like this, but you should write in a proper statement form in your exam, okay? In 18 days, man is earning so much amount. How much will he earn in 30 days? So we need to find for 30 days. So before we find for 30 days, we will find out for 1 day, how much he earns in 1 day. So earning in 1 day is rupees 4,500 by 18. When I divide this by 18, what do I get? Just find out, divide and give me the answer. Divide it and give me the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
That's 250. Okay. That means in 1 day he is earning 2,500. So in 30 days he will be earning 30 into 2,250 rupees. Okay. So when you multiply this, 25 into 3 is 75 and you have 200. So that means in 30 days the man will be earning 7,500. Okay. Okay, understood, Ashwath?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now which other question you want me to explain?
Over, ma'am.
Okay, then all questions.
Ma'am, I'm done with the 12th one.
Okay. And Ashwath, you?
Ma'am, I'm doing the 11th. Ma'am, 10th.
Ma'am, shall I say the answer of like 12th one? Or
Okay.
else shall I
Okay.
ma'am, the
What is-
numbers. Ma'am, the numbers are 64 and 36.
64 and 36. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. They make like the sum of
See, this ratio is given 9x and 16, and the sum of the numbers is 100. So we'll take the numbers to be 9x plus 16
9x plus 16.
equals to 100. From here we can find the value of x.
25.
Okay, so x is 100 by 25, which is 4. So when you multiply
4, 9,
with 9, you get
36.
32. And 16
And
with 4,
16,
you get 64.
64.
So these are the two numbers. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm coming to the algebra part now. Quickly, we'll just revise. Okay. Now, Ashwath, see here. This is a matchstick pattern. Okay. Matchstick pattern is not required because that's an activity kind of thing. Okay. Ashwath is there? Yes, Ashwath? Ashwath, are you there? Hello? Yes, Rishit, are you
Yes,
there?
ma'am.
So why aren't you saying? Okay, now see,
Yes, ma'am.
just randomly I'm taking any question from here. So how to make a statement, how to make an algebraic expression. Leela is Radha's younger sister. Leela is 4 years younger than Radha. Can you write Leela's age in terms of Radha's age? Take Radha's age to be X. Okay, we have taken Radha's age to be X years. Okay. Now it is saying Leela is Radha's younger sister. Okay, and Leela is 4 years younger than Radha. 4 years younger than Radha means this is Radha's age, and Leela's age will be -4. If I subtract 4 from Radha's age,
-4.
I will get Leela's age, no? Is it?
Yes, sir.
So this is Leela's age, X -4 years. Okay, let's do another question from here. Oranges are to be transferred from one larger box into smaller boxes, from one big box to two small boxes. It is to be transferred here, from here to here. Okay. When the large box is empty, the oranges from it fill two smaller boxes. So oranges will fill in two small boxes, and still 10 oranges remain outside, and still 10 more oranges are left. Okay. If the number of oranges in a small box are taken to be X. Okay, now it's saying if number of boxes in one small box are X, what is the number of oranges in the larger box? So what were the total number of oranges in the larger box? So that was X plus 10, no? Total oranges in the
2x plus 10.
because all this came out of the bigger box, no? So this was X plus
Yes, ma'am.
plus 10. That means it was 2X plus 10. Okay, this was 2X
Yes, ma'am.
plus 10. All this came out of the bigger box. Okay. Okay. Now see the side of a equilateral triangle is shown by L. Okay, this is some equilateral triangle. Each equilateral triangle, we know all sides are equal. It is shown by L.
Yes,
This is the perimeter of the equilateral triangle using L. So perimeter will be what? L plus L plus L. Okay, L plus L plus L.
3.
This will be 3L. Okay. Now, same for regular hexagon also, all the sides are equal. When a word regular is written before any polygon's name, that means all
Yes,
sides
ma'am.
are equal. Okay, so when you add all these sides, these are 6 sides, so you will get 6N.
6L.
Yes, okay. Similarly, for a cube also, it is
Yes,
a
ma'am.
three-dimensional figure. How many edges? Okay, find the. It has 6 faces and all of them are identical. The length of the edge of the cube is L. So edge is these sides. Okay, these are the edges. Find the formula for the total length of the edges of a cube. So a cube has total 12 edges. Okay, 4 on the top, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 at the bottom. Okay, 4 plus 4 gives you 8. And 4 on the sides. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so altogether you get 4 on the top, 4 at the bottom, and 4 on the sides. So 4 3s are 12. This is 12L. Okay. Okay, moving further. Quickly, we are revising the chapter. Okay. Let's make some expressions. If written 5 added to P, how will you write 7 added to P? P plus 7?
7.
No?
P plus 7.
If 7 subtracted from P, how will you write that?
7 subtracted from P.
Uh,
P minus 7.
7. Okay. 7 subtracted from minus M.
Minus M minus 7.
Yes, good. Okay. Then suppose you have 5 times Y to which 3 is added. How will you write 5 times Y?
5 times Y. 5Y.
5Y. And to this 3 is added.
+3.
Plus 3. Okay. So 5 times y to which 3 is added. Simple. Okay, now tell me this. Y multiplied by -8 and then 5 added to the result. Y multiplied by -8. Okay, y multiplied
-8 y
and then 5 is added
-8 y +5.
plus 5. Okay, like this. Okay, 5 times y from which 3 is subtracted.
5y -3.
Good. Okay. Okay, now let's see this. Take Sarita's age to be y years. Okay, Sarita's age is y years. What will be her
Yes.
age 5 years from now? 5 years from now, if you start
5
counting
y
now.
-5.
5y minus 5. 5
Okay,
years
5
from now,
y
future. We are talking about
Okay,
future.
ma'am.
Future में 5 years के बाद कितनी age
y
होगी?
+5.
Y plus 5. Okay. What was her age 3 years back? Past me.
y -3.
Y minus 3. Sarita's grandfather is 6 times her age. What is the age of her grandfather?
6y.
6y. Okay. Sarita's age ko multiply with y. 6. Okay. Grandmother is 2 years younger than grandfather. Now grandfather's age was 6y. Grandmother is 2 years younger. What is grandmother's age?
6y -2.
Minus 2. Good. Now Sarita's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. Sarita's father is 5 years more than 3.
3y +5.
3 times Sarita's age is 3y and father is 5 years more. So 3y plus 5. Okay. Okay. Now see this. Meena, Beena and Leena are climbing the steps to the hilltop. Meena is at step S. Okay. Meena is at step S. Beena is 8 steps ahead. Beena is 8 steps ahead. Okay. So that means Beena will be 8 steps ahead means S में 8 plus करेंगे. She is 8 steps ahead of Meena. And Leena is 7
Yes.
steps behind. And Leena is 7 steps behind. That means S minus 7. Okay. This is Leena. This is Beena. Okay. Where is Beena and Leena? The total number of steps to the hilltop is 10 less than 4 times what Meena has reached. Now total steps are 10 less than
S.
4 times where Meena has reached. So Meena has reached that S. So total steps are 4S, 4 times where Meena has reached and 10 less. 4S minus 10. Is it 10 less than 4 times where Meena has reached? Okay, and Leena has reached at S plus 8. Leena has reached at S minus 7. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now see the next question. A bus travels B km per hour. It is going from Daspur to Bispur. Okay. After the bus has traveled 5 hours, Bispur is still 20 kilometers away. Okay, now it is saying in 1 hour how much the bus is traveling? V hours.
Ma'am, b kilometers.
V kilometers. So that means in 5 hours how much the bus is traveling? 5V kilometers.
5 kilometers.
So now it's saying Bispur is not is still 20 kilometers away. Abhi और 20 kilometers और दूर जाना है. So that means the total distance is 5V plus 20.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is what it is asked.
Ma'am, we have the exercises till 12.3. Sorry, 11.3 in the algebra.
Okay, so this was 11.4. So that means we have done 9. Okay, this is all about in this chapter. Okay. Yes, Ashwin.
Yes, ma'am.
So don't worry about your exam. It will be fine. Your preparation is good. It will be fine. Okay.
Yes.
So wish you all the best. And relax now. Don't worry. Just pack your things for tomorrow and relax. No studying now. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Good night, Pachi.
Good night, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta.